Buenos dias, my friends. On today's menu, we're going to do a dish called Mexican rice.
This tomato flavored rice is found served as a side dish along with refried beans in most Mexican homes.
And it's pretty simple to make.
So without further ado, let's get in the kitchen. Make sure you cut your bell pepper and onion into pretty small pieces so they'll cook thoroughly. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the onion and bell pepper and saute them till they're thoroughly cooked. Add 1 cup of uncooked rice. Make sure that you stir the rice quite frequently so you don't burn it. You just want to toast it, get a nice brown color, but you can burn it very easily if left unattended. Add 2 cans of tomatoes and 1 can of green chili. Or you can omit these cans and just use 2 cans of Rotel. Add 2 cups water. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Cover and reduce heat to the low simmer and cook until all water is used and rice is flaky. You're going to want to stir this every now and then so the rice don't burn and stick to the pan. Don't worry, all that water will cook out.
I can taste it now.
Well, I guess all's left is give it a try. Oh, very good, very good. You definitely don't want to skip the step of toasting the rice. It really enhances the flavor, brings it out, and it helps fluff up the rice and separate. So don't skip that step. But till next time, God bless and rock on.
Tastes so good.